You've been learning to code for months, maybe even years, yet one day, you slam the laptop shut and whisper to yourself, I'm not cut out for this. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, let's talk about why so many people quit coding and how you can avoid becoming one of them. Coding looks sexy from the outside. Flexible jobs, big tech salaries, building cool apps, working from Bali, and sipping coconut water while writing Python. But behind the scenes, it's debugging broken logic at 3 a.m., imposter syndrome, and getting stuck on a single error for hours. So why do people quit, and more importantly, what can we learn from them? 1. They thought it would be easy. Let's be honest, coding is hard. The early tutorials make it feel like a walk in the park. Print hello world, boom, you're a programmer. Many people quit because they didn't expect the pain. And when it hits, they blame themselves instead of understanding it's normal. The truth? Struggling is not a sign you're failing, it's a sign you're doing it right. 2. They learn too many things at once. Sounds productive? It's a trap. You end up becoming sort of okay at everything and expert at nothing. The brain needs depth before breadth. Pick one language, master its core, then move. That's how you build confidence and momentum. The jack-of-all-trades learner eventually burns out, and burnout mixed with confusion leads straight to quitting. 3. They compare themselves to others. This toxic comparison game poisons progress. Every developer walks a unique path. What you don't see are the sleepless nights, failures, restarts, and rewrites behind their success. Don't measure your chapter 2 against someone's chapter 20. 4. They learn but never build. People quit because they feel like they know nothing, even after dozens of hours of courses. That's because they haven't practiced creatively. Want to avoid quitting? Build, break things, struggle. That's how you grow. 5. They get stuck and have no support. Imagine debugging an error for 3 hours with no one to ask. Just silence. Many beginners quit because they feel isolated. They think they're the only one struggling with simple things. Truth? Even senior devs Google stuff daily. Join a Discord server, a coding subreddit, or a local meetup. Ask questions. Share wins. Find your tribe. Code doesn't have to be a lonely journey. 6. They don't see results fast enough. We live in a world of instant dopamine. TikTok gives you a hit in 2 seconds. Coding gives you pain for 6 months before your first real reward. That gap between effort and reward kills motivation. But here's a mindset shift. Coding is compound interest. The early days feel slow, but the growth curve is exponential. You just have to survive the boring, slow, confusing start. 7. They experience imposter syndrome. I can't do this. I'll never be as good as them. I'm not smart enough. Sound familiar? Imposter syndrome isn't a sign you're bad, it's a sign you care. And every single developer from interns to CTOs battles with it. The key? Don't listen to the voice. Keep showing up. Keep coding. The confidence will follow the consistency. 8. They forget their why. Why did you start coding in the first place? Was it to build a startup? Land a remote job? Escape your 9 to 5? People quit when they forget their why. Coding is just a tool, not the goal. Anchor yourself in purpose, and you'll keep moving even when it's hard. If you're thinking of quitting, pause. Reflect. Don't walk away during the storm. Wait for the sun. Coding is hard, but so is anything worth doing. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to get it all today. You just need to keep going, because most people quit coding right before it starts making sense. If this video helped you, subscribe for more content like this. And in the comments, tell me, what's been the hardest part of your coding journey so far? Let's build a dev community that lifts each other up. I'll see you in the next one.